Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the history of KFC and the inspiring life story of its founder, Colonel Harland Sanders. KFC, or Kentucky Fried Chicken, is a global fast food chain known for its signature fried chicken recipe. The company was founded in 1952 by Colonel Harland Sanders, but the story of KFC actually begins much earlier. Sanders was born in 1890 in Indiana and grew up working in various jobs. At the age of 40, he began cooking and selling fried chicken in a small restaurant in Kentucky, where he began to develop his now famous recipe. Over the next decade, Sanders continued to refine his recipe and franchising system, opening more restaurants and spreading the popularity of his fried chicken across the country. However, in the 1950s, the construction of a new interstate highway caused a significant decline in business for Sanders and his franchising partners. Undeterred, Sanders hit the road to promote his brand and recipe to potential investors. In 1952, he secured a deal with a group of investors who helped him establish the Kentucky Fried Chicken Corporation. The rest, as they say, is history. Under Sanders' leadership, KFC continued to expand rapidly throughout the United States and eventually the world, with the first international franchise opening in Canada in 1963. However, in 1964, Sanders sold the company $2 million to a group of investors led by Jack Massey and John Y. Brown Jr. Despite selling the company, Sanders remained an active spokesperson for KFC, traveling the country to promote the brand and its famous fried chicken recipe. He became a cultural icon in the 1970s, appearing in numerous commercials and even having his likeness used as the KFC logo. However, Sanders was not always happy with the way the company was being run, particularly after it was acquired by the fast food giant, PepsiCo. He famously criticized KFC's use of cheaper, lower quality ingredients and called for a return to the original recipe and cooking methods. In the years following his death in 1980, KFC continued to evolve and expand. In addition to its original fried chicken recipe, the company now offers a variety of menu items, including sandwiches, salads, and sides. And while the company has faced criticism and controversy over the years, its iconic brand and finger-licking good fried chicken remain beloved by millions around the world. So, that's a brief overview of the history of KFC and the inspiring life story of Colonel Harland Sanders. We hope you enjoyed learning more about this iconic brand and its founder. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. For more informative videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page. SNK Pulse.